As we get set for our shootout, the goaltender's now thinking back. All right, who am I going to face and where do they go with their shots?
It's really, Gary, all about focus, not only for the goalies, but for the shooters as well. I mean, it comes down to man against man and execution all the time. That's what decides who wins these things.
Now your homework pays off, both ends of it, shooter, goaltender.
Shooter's got to be patient here, too, not only the goaltender.
Subban's ready for his turn. Chance scores! Kicks that one off the pillows and away. Boston's got a scorer on the ice. Scores! That's one you got to score on. You'd like to have that one back. Shoots and scores, and we've got a shootout winner. Let's find out where the real skill lies. Let's go right to the shootout. We did, and we got a winner.
Boy, I don't know how much skill there was there. Did these guys even want?